Hello everyone, this is our next video of ipsec VPN series. In the today's video, we are going to discuss ISAKMP and we will also discuss route-based VPN versus policy-based VPN. What are the difference are? So let's start with the ISAKMP. So ISAKMP stands for the Internet Security Associations and Key Management Protocol. So this is the full form of the ISAKMP. So this is used in IKE version. So let's understand more ISAKMP. So Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol is defined in RFC 2408 for stabilizing security associations and cryptographic keys and internet environment. So this is the framework and it is defined in RFC 2408 to stabilizing the security associations, and we understand what is the security associations in the previous videos. So it is the agreements between the both VPN parties, and the cryptographic keys means to encrypt the traffic using a keys. So we understand in the previous videos there are two type of cryptographic algorithms, like a symmetric cryptographies and asymmetric cryptographies. So this ISAKMP framework is used for the one is security associations, second is the cryptographic keys in internet environment. So this is used in the internet environment. ISAKMP only provides a framework for authentication and key exchange. So we discussed just. So this is the framework for authentication and key exchange. It designed to be key exchange independent. So both parties can do the key exchange independently. Protocols such as internet key exchange. So we understand already that this ISAKMP is used in IKE, and the internet negotiations of key. This is the kink. So it's also a same as the cryptographic algorithms, which is known as the encryption and authentication of the data of the both parties to provide authenticated key material of for the use of ISAKMP. So after the authentication, they will provide the keying material for the ISAKMP. So this is the introduction of ISAKMP. So ISAKMP is a framework which works on the internet. It is used for the security associations and cryptographic keys, and it is used in the insecure network, which is internet. So let's understand the ISAKMP packet. So this is the ISAKMP packet. This is the initiator cookie 64-bit, for the responder cookie, and there are the other messages will also exchange. This is the packet of next pay 8-bit, major version 4-bit, minor version 4-bit, exchange type is 8-bit, flags, this is the flags of the ISAKMP, message bit and the length bit. So let's understand about the policy based VPN. So two types of VPNs we have. First is the policy based VPN and second is the route based VPN, which is on the firewalls, or we can say the VPN devices. So let's begin with the policy based VPN. The difference is how interesting traffic is being matched. So basically, if we are defining the difference between the policy and route, so it is the difference exactly how the interesting traffic is being matched. So what is the interesting traffic? Let's understand on my whiteboard that what is the interesting traffic. Let me open it quickly. So let's say this is the one VPN device and this is the another VPN device, and we have the connectivity over the internet. So I will take as a A and this will as a B. So they have a this will be the public IP address. Here we have some public IP address. Using this public IP address on the over internet, ISAKMP will work, which we just discussed. ISAKMP will work, and after that there have some switches, and which is the and further PC will connected over this like that. So these are the endpoints of the one side. Same scenario will be here. This will be the switch, and now the endpoints will be connected here. So the interesting traffic means the LAN subnet of this subnet. So let's say if we have a 192.168.1.0, and here we have a, let's say, 3.0. 192.168.3.0. So this LAN subnets is known as the interesting traffic, which is used on the VPN. See, this both LAN subnet will known as the interesting traffic. So let's begin with our discussion now more. So in the policy based, this is the interesting traffic is being, and this is the traffic which gets over the VPN, sent over the VPN. We discussed this point. In the policy based VPN, there are rules created which match the traffic, and based on this rule is sent over the pair of security associations and will use for each direction. So based on the security policies which we create on the network devices, let's say 192.168. Let's begin with our previous slides. Let's understand on that. I'm going on my whiteboard. So now let's understand we have created 192.168.0, and from this 3.0 to 3.0. So there definitely will be one policy, and this one policy is having a one security associations. And let's say we have that another policy. Let's say we have another LAN segment. That will be the another policy. And if we define /32 network, so every security policy is having their own SA, and which is because we have defined a SA based on the policies. That is the reason it's known as the policy based VPNs. So in the policy based VPN, rules are being created to match traffic. So based on the rule, the VPN traffic will match and sent over the VPN. Each side of the direction security association will be used for the each directions. Different rules for the different types of traffic. So we understand that we can create the policies, and based on the different types of rules, let's say IoT rules, we can create the infrastructure rules. So based on the rules, the different types of SA will be generated. Rule set match a traffic of SA. So based on the traffic match, a security association will create. Different rules security is having different rules security settings. So different rule is having their different security association, different security settings. So this is the policy based VPN. So now move forward with the route based VPNs. So route based VPNs are performed target matching based on the prefix. So this is the basically work on the route based VPN. So route based VPNs means they will look up for the routes. Let's say this is the example 30.0/24. If the traffic will hit the network devices, let's say this is the firewall, they're having the destination of 30.0, and that 30.0 it is points towards the VPNs, which is known we known as that is VTI. So virtual tunnel interface. So that traffic will come hits to this VPN device. VPN device have a route for this 30.0, and that is point towards the tunnel interface or VTI. So based on that, the network devices will take a action and forward the traffic. With route based VPN, single pair of association is needed. So only one association is needed per network prefix, means that all traffic match network will be used the same SA. There is no different SA will be used on if we compare with the policy based VPN. So this is the video related to the how route based and policy based VPNs are working. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the Firewall Experts. Thanks for watching.